the Iran Army Ground Forces received its first batch of domestically produced Mohajer 6 drones, which were previously used only by the Islamic Revolutionary Guard Corps, IRGC, the Mehr news agency reported. With the deployment of these unmanned aerial vehicles, any threat to the Iranian borders and even beyond the borders, will be identified, tracked down and removed before it could even take form, Hassanejad said. He added that the drones are manufactured in cooperation with Iranian Army, Defense Ministry and the Iran Aviation Industries Organization. The all-weather drone is able to carry precision-guided projectiles, the Tehran Times report says. However, according to Hassanejad, the drone is designed primarily for surveillance and reconnaissance missions. The Mohajer 6 was first unveiled in April 2017 and entered production in 2018. The United States said on Wednesday that it was removing Turkey from the F-35 fighter jet program, a move that had been long threatened and expected, after Ankara began accepting delivery of an advanced Russian missile defense system last week. The first parts of the S-400 air defense system were flown to the Merdad military airbase, northwest of Ankara on Friday, sealing Turkey's deal with Russia, which Washington had struggled for months to prevent. The U.S. and other F-35 partners are aligned in this decision, to suspend Turkey from the program and initiate the process, to formally remove Turkey from the program, said Alan Lord, the Undersecretary of Defense for Acquisition and Sustainment at the Pentagon. Turkey's foreign ministry said the move was unfair and could affect relations between the two countries. Construction has begun on the first B-21 at Northrop's Air Force Plant 42 factory near Palmdale, California, Air Force Chief of Staff General David Goldfein told an audience at the Mitchell Institute for Aerospace Studies on July 9. The B-21 will replace the Air Force's aging B-2 Spirit, the first true stealth bomber, which was unveiled in 1989 and entered service in 1997. The Raider sports the same flying wing design as its predecessor, a shape that, along with a high-tech anti-radar coating, gives the plane a very low radar profile. That will help it sneak into enemy territory undetected, to deliver either conventional or nuclear weapons, then escape again unscathed, and perhaps even unknown. Complementing the B-21 will be the Air Force's upcoming long-range standoff cruise missile, which is capable of carrying nuclear weapons.